And speaking of the delay in the restart of football, some players are now harboring thoughts of quitting the sport due to a continued lack of income. Jerome Foster tells us the plights of the Dumbleholden pair of Keithy Simpson and Tremaine Stewart, who spoke on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill.
The continued uncertainty around the restart of competitive football on the island continues to make life difficult for the nation's elite players. Dumbleholden FC's duo of Keithy Simpson and Tremaine Stewart say the current circumstances have made life painful, especially with the loss of income. So much so that Simpson says he has been forced to sell prized assets.
I just have to put my car up for sale just in order to pay at the bank what I owe them. The bank been calling me. I have to just let go of some assets. And it's really hard at the moment, and all we can do is just pray for things to get better. We're calling on the necessary personnel who have the authority to just give us the right to just start to do what we love and do it for our jobs again.
For Stewart, who was a 2019 MVP at Waterhouse, psychologically things are even worse, especially with additional social responsibility.
Because it's not plain and it's rough. That's what I'm saying on me and my family. But I can't give up because it's not plain. It's my job, and it's not. I'm not working for so long. So it's tough, bills piling up and things haven't been done for the kids them because school and school fee, and now they are doing online classes. So it's really tough. It's really out of our and we can't do anything much about it. But we have to just try to hold on and fight. We can't just give up.
Simpson says he has thought about giving up professional football several times throughout the pandemic.
If it means that you have to go and look at 9 to 5, whatever it takes, because you want to do the right things. You don't want to get in anything illegal. It's a cry all over, not only us facing it, but definitely it's a hard thing. You can't keep focused. Because mentally there's a strain. You think about providing for your family and it's not possible at the moment. It's a strain on the brain, and we hope it's over soon.
33-year-old Stewart, who has played 12 games for the national team, also says a switch of profession isn't off the cards.
But we can't be just sitting down and thinking or hoping that the league will start every day and then when we get called, it's not. So, I've been thinking each day that I have to look at 9 to 5 because, family needed our help and our support. So we can't just sit down and just append and think about this Premier League, when it's going to start and hope and praying and then nothing is in the kitty for the family.
Stewart and Simpson made the switch to Dumbleholden from Waterhouse following the cancelled season in 2020. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.